Hello everyone, my name is Abdul Zahir. I'll be showing you today a quick demo about one of Dumisoft product, which is check printing and management software. Before starting the demo on the software, I just want to give an advice to everyone who's using check in his business or even people who use personal check that you must have this software, and I really mean you must have it. Why? Because, for example, here in Dubai, 50% of business transaction is made by checks every day. And anyone who uses checks every day, at least he have two to three return check monthly because of the handwriting error sometimes, or because he did not know that he have a check in a specific date, so the check bounced. And it cost anyone at least 300 to 400 dirham monthly as fine by bank. And later on, actually, if many checks get returned, your bank account might get lost because of that. So now I will show you practically how easy and fast to save your money, time, and everyday concern about your checks with Dumisoft check printing software. So now going through this quick demo, I will show you the solution of how you can finish your writing errors and how you can manage all your issued checks so you don't forget any checks and even receive checks and even more. So now we'll go through all of these points on the demo, but first of all we go through how to create a company. Let's assume our company name is Dubai General Trading, and we'll add all these information. Let's assume anything just so we can create the company. I'm now creating a new company. Usually you have to go through this only one time. Country is Dubai. Country is UAE, sorry. City is Dubai. PO box, agent ID, and address. And we will submit it. Company added successfully. Now we have to log in. We have to choose the company, which is Dubai General Trading, and then log in. Now we'll go through the second point, which is how to add a bank account. Adding a bank account is easy. We'll just go to settings, bank master, add to open all these options, and then click on onboard bank. Most of UAE banks are added here. We'll just choose one of them. Usually 9.9 times 19 was for companies bank, corporate banks, corporate companies, sorry. And 7.7 times 16 is for personal checks. So we'll choose, let's say, Emirates MBD, imported. We'll add here any account number, currency dirham, and we'll add an opening balance, let's say, of 6,000, and we'll submit it. Now we're done adding a bank account. We will add a checkbook. Adding a checkbook is really easy. We'll go on the same pop-up of adding a bank. We'll just click on add checkbook. Usually checkbook, not usually, actually checkbooks are only 50 checks, and the number of fields is 50, and we save it. So now we have a checkbook. So now we have a company, bank account, and a checkbook. Now we'll go to the next point, which is how to issue a check. We'll start issuing a check now. We'll click here on the dashboard, issue check, new. Let's say we need to add a new customer. Let's say Alex. We can add all the information about Alex, but let's say now Alex only. We can close this window and reopen, issue check, new. If you come here, we'll let Alex will find it. Emirates MBD, let's say 4,000 dirham check for Alex, check number 1, and let's say it's today. As you can see here, amount can be in English or Arabic written on the check. Let's choose English and submit it. Do you want to issue the check? Yes. And here's the pop-up where we will print the check. We'll just use the printer and click print check, and it will be printed. And this is an example of how exactly the check will be printed. Like whenever you click on print, this is how exactly it will be. This is the sample of a real check printed, and the customer then he will only have to sign. So now we will go through issue check reminder. The issue check reminder is a reminder whenever you open the software, it reminds you with the issue check in future. We'll check it now. Let's just add another check. Let's say for this Muhammad Ali amount is 2000. Let's say check number 2. Let's say it's for tomorrow. 2000 only English, and we submit it. Here they're asking to print it out. We can print it, but we don't have to now, so we'll save it. And we will close the software and we'll reopen it again so I can show you how the issue check reminder works. Actually, when you open only the software, a pop-up will come. Here's the pop-up. This pop-up is issue PDC reminder. It tells you the red part here is today checks. We have a check here for Alex 4,000 dirham today, and the yellow is future check. For tomorrow we have a check of 2,000 dirham for Muhammad Ali. So this is how the issue check reminder, whenever you open the software, it reminds you. So this solved the solution of never forgetting what you have for tomorrow or for today. And the errors will be solved, of course, by issuing it printed and not written. So now we'll go to the next point, which is after issue check reminder, bank statement after clearing the issue check. Let's clear one of these issue check and let's see how it affects the bank statement. And as you can see here, we have two checks. We cannot clear tomorrow checks because it's for tomorrow. Let's clear today checks, which is for Alex 4,000 dirham. Let's click here on clear. Once it's clear, it will affect the bank statement. So we'll go to settings, bank cash transaction. We will add the bank because maybe we have different bank. It was Emirates NBD. We'll choose the bank statement, click on bank statement and the date, today's date. And as we can see here, our opening balance is 6,000. We have issued the check for Alex and it's passed, cleared with 4,000 dirhams. So our balance now is 2,000 only. Let's go to the next point. After checking the bank statement, after clearing the issue check, the next point is how to receive a check. Now we will receive a check on the software. It's simple, just as issuing a check. We'll just go to the dashboard here, click on receive, add. Let's say you're receiving a check from Muhammad Ali. Bank name, let's say his bank is Rak Bank, branch Souk, account number, anything. Let's say we're receiving from Muhammad Ali 7,000. Check number, let's say 11. Let's say it's today and we submit it. So now we have a received check from Muhammad Ali, Rak Bank, 7,000 dirham. Let's clear this check. Bank deposit. Here we choose our bank, Emirates NBD, and the account number. Because maybe we have different banks, so we have to choose the exact bank that we really want to receive the check on. Next point and last is after receiving a check is the bank statement after clearing the received check. We'll go through the software to the bank statement and we have already cleared the received check. We'll just check the bank statement and how it reflects on the bank statement. Going through bank statement will be through settings again. Bank cash transaction, we'll choose the bank, it says Emirates NBD, and we'll click on bank statement. Today date, yes. As you can see here, 6,000 with the opening again. We have issued a check for Alex 4,000 dirham, so the balance is 2,000. We have received the check from Muhammad Ali, and both of these checks are clear, so our balance is 9,000 dirham. So at the end, this quick demo, I hope it was clear, showing you and giving everyone the solution for his return check monthly. And that's it for today. Thank you.